sitting alone in your room, come hear the music play. Life is a cabaret, old chum, come to the cabaret. Put down the knitting, the book and the broom, it's time for a holiday. Life is a cabaret, old chum, come to the cabaret. Come taste the wine, come hear the band, come blow your horn, start celebrating. Right this way, your table's waiting. What good's omitting some prophet of doom to wipe every smile away? Life is a cabaret, old chum, so come to the cabaret. Money, 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 money. If you happen to be rich and you feel like a night's entertainment, you can pay for the escapade. If you happen to be rich and alone and you need a companion, you can ring ting-a-ling for some mate. If you happen to be rich and you find you are left by your lover and you moan and you groan quite a lot, you can take it on the chin, call a cab and begin to recover on your 14-carat yacht. What? Money makes the world go round, the world go round, the world go round. Money makes the go round, thumbs that we both are short on being poor. Money, 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 money.